Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Penrem Rahul Gandhi ya Modi, halor ka jing yadai kam Modi berka China. Haka jingle jengo jung Rahul Gandhi sya US. Rahul Gandhi ula kentho yu Prime Minister Modi, halor ka jing yadai kam jung Prime Minister Modi berka China. Haka ne ka jingle jengo jung Rahul Gandhi sya US. Rahul Gandhi ula penrem ting ya ka wei ka policy, bal ai kruteng Prime Minister Modi's China policy. Rahul Gandhi ula ongru baka China ka keni ya ki jaka jongi kan ba Prime Minister Modi pat udang kuak ban ngaju yajan bat ka China ka jingken tho jung Rahul Gandhi ya ka Modi's China policy kalong di kita yo haswa ka jingle jung Modi sha US.
The fact of the matter is China is occupying our territory. It's an accepted fact. I think 1500 square kilometers land the size of Delhi is occupied by them, and I think it's absolutely unacceptable. Prime Minister seems to believe otherwise. I don't know. I mean, maybe he knows something we don't know.
Laong baka India bat ka China ki yadai kambiang hadin ka jinya ka jie ka bajur Hagalwan Valley haus nem hajar arpho hakane ka jingji Hagalwan Valley arpho ngut kispai India kilayap haka jinya le bat kispai China kane ka jingji Hagalwan Valley kapan iya ka jinya ka jie spai ka bajur tam hapadeng ka India bat China haki nrupos nem baladem susu ka India bat China kilaya ka jiru haka sinong tawang jong ka jala Arunachal Pradesh ha udismbol jong usnam hajar arpuar omdei tangkumta ka China kalapan kala kertengru yaki khatwei teli ki jaka haka jala Arunachal Pradesh haka baka China kala khot kertengno daka Southern Tibet bat kala kamru baka dai ka teritori jongka ha ubnai baladep u Prime Minister Modi ulaong baka jing syongsuk haki border kalong ke badon kam nakam ta ka jing yadai ka India bat ka China